everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be making a one-pot chicken meal in my crock pot. I've got some things to do today, so that way this afternoon I'll have supper ready. I'm going to spray my pan, or my pan liner, crock pot liner, with spray. Then I'm going to add, I got 2 frozen chicken breasts. I get these off the Swan's truck. I'm just going to lay that in there. Okay, and I'm going to start adding my new potatoes. I grew these in buckets. I was so happy with the way they turned out. I'm going to put my potatoes on the bottom. When I come in this afternoon after doing all my mowing, then I'll have supper ready. Then I'm going to put carrots, peppers. These are just banana peppers cut up. And then a small onion. You can add whatever kind of vegetables you have on hand or what you like. Got some onion powder. It's about 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Some fresh ground pepper. Some pink Himalayan salt. And then I've got some dried rosemary. About a teaspoon of dried rosemary. Okay, and then I got some chicken broth. I'm just going to pour this in on the sides. Right there. It's about a half of a container of chicken broth is what I used. Okay, now it's ready. I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to turn it on low and let it cook for probably about, let's see, about 7 hours on low. And I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Thank you. Okay, this is what it looks like. After about halfway mark, I have put some little corn on the cobs in there. It looks delicious. That chicken's gonna be so tender. Yummy. This meal was so good when we got home in the afternoon after working outside all day. It was delicious. It really hit the spot. Thank you all for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Have a great one.